My Lords, I declare an interest as a Vice President of the Children's Society, and I want to really share delight in the work of the Children's Society and other children's charities in helping to bring us to this point. And so I warmly welcome this draft order amending the Legal Aid, Sentencing and Punishment of Offenders Act 2012 to bring immigration matters for unaccompanied and separated children within the scope of legal aid. This is a wonderful thing. Without this amendment, children who are outside their country of origin, who are separated from their parent or caregiver, are at significant risk. The reinstatement of legal aid for separated children would be transformative for some of the most vulnerable children in our country. However, welcome as this amendment is, it still leaves unresolved, as my noble friend, the Earl of Listowel, has said, the needs of these vulnerable young people when they transition to adulthood, if their immigration status at that point is still uncertain or temporary. On the day a young person turns 18, everything changes. Protections that have been in place can disappear overnight, and this is particularly the case for children who are in local authority care and who become care leavers. And again, my noble friend, the Earl of Listowel, mentioned this, referred to this in an earlier question on homelessness. Once children turn 18, immigration legislation kicks in. And where a young person in care has uncertain immigration status, they are particularly at risk of having the support from local authorities withdrawn, and they can all too easily become destitute and homeless. So I would like to ask the noble Lord the Minister to assure us that he recognises the vulnerability of care leavers at age 18 who have not been able up to that point to regularise their immigration status, and to assure this House that the Government still intends to introduce a presumption of exceptional care funding for care leavers so that they can access legal aid at this very critical point of their lives.
My Lords,